So right now we're in, where's this?
What is that place? What is it called?
Montgomery?
Montgomery, there we go.
Alabama?
Yeah.
We're in Alabama?
Yeah.
I thought we had came through Alabama.
Nope.
So we're in Alabama, and so my doggy here, Raisin, he's a Yorkie, and we just stopped because he kept becoming a magician and seeing his way out of his collar. So we stopped by the pet supermarket. And what's the name of this road? Parrot Hill. Perry Hill. Say hey.
Hey y'all.
She works in the store, and she was really nice to me after raising Pete in the store 3 times. Oh my God. And pooped in the corner. I don't know what his problem was. I think he just got nervous in the store or something. So anyway, I'm gonna, the truck broke down. Come on, Trey. The truck broke down, which is the reason why we're over here. Y'all need to check out this. Thanks, you too. Y'all need to check out this pet supermarket. They're awesome in there. Like all of the store clerks were really nice in helping fit Raisin, get his collar fitted, and find the right fit for him, and just asking all the types of questions, the right questions. Check them out. I love good customer service. You guys know that. So deal with them if you're over here in Montgomery, Alabama, in a plaza called Perry Hill. And now I am walking because I'm looking for an ATM, because we caught a mobile mechanic who's over there, back there, working on a truck. And this is a supermarket? Probably not. Chill right there. And I'm gonna see if they have an ATM in here. Hey, excuse me. Do you have an ATM in here, by the way?
I don't think we have an ATM.
No ATM? Do you know where ATM is? Like in this area, is there an ATM anywhere?
I know there's a Regions. Kyla, is there an ATM around here? Like in the area?
In this plaza, our vehicle broke down out here, and we had to call a mobile mechanic. Alright.
Isn't there a bank right there? Don't read it's closed. It does have an ATM, I believe, on the front side of it.
Where's the bank?
You have to go all the way straight until you get to Atlanta Highway and Perry Hill. You'll take a right, and it's going to be right there.
Okay, now that makes sense to me. I don't know where I am.
Okay.
We're
You're going to go straight until you hit a Walgreens. Walgreens is going to be on your left.
okay.
When you're at that Walgreens, you're going to turn right at that intersection.
Okay.
It's like the second building down.
Okay, so you mean a right out of this parking lot, though?
Yep. You're gonna
Okay.
go right out the parking lot, straight. You do. Take a right.
Okay, okay. Thank you so much. So we have no ATMs in the grocery store. Ugh. Trey, come on. Look at you over there looking crazy. You better come on. You know we're back in the U.S. People be scared of people with hoodies on and start doing unnecessary crap. So, it's freezing. No hugging me. Get off of me. I'm trying to zip my coat up. You're freezing me.
Hurry up and zip it out so I can hug you. It's cold out here.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, turn my blog off. Hit the button.